All right, welcome to day 8. In day 8, lesson is going to be reading 2 lessons from Savas. So as we go through, I'll walk you through the lesson again. So review of day 7 from what we did the day before is here. Again, continue to make sure you're checking your previous Canvas comments. All right, for activating pre-knowledge, what you're going to do is you are going to write down anything you know about the following topic. So write that down right in here, and again, answer in a different color. And after you answer, make sure before you answer, make sure you take a few moments to think about and just please try to not just write nothing. Okay. Think of anything of where you maybe have heard those terms. Okay. The reason why this is important is the more information you can kind of gain or pull back from your brain, the better you're going to understand going forward. All right, in today's vocabulary journal setup, we have 2 lessons. We have chapter 3, lesson 3, which is the theory of plate tectonics. You have one key idea, but you have multiple vocabulary words, okay? In chapter 4, lesson 1, you don't have any vocabulary words or the key ideas. This is going to be a lesson where you're going to read it, do a couple activities, and as you read the lesson, if there's anything that you find important during this, please take notes. The reason why we are not taking notes or vocabulary words on this is these are terms that we're not necessarily going to be used going forward, but it is important information that you understand so we can reference it later. Okay? So reading, again, here's how you log into Savas, and then you go through your directions. There's a little video preview here. You're going to read it a little bit. You're going to take your notes. You're going to do an activity, answer the question. Over here, you're going to, using the key on page 87, so make sure you look at page 87. You're going to answer some questions based on that. Okay. The big thing is there's a map, and once the map is up, you are going to talk about a convergent boundary, divergent boundary, and transform boundary, and you're going to give examples of where they exist in the world. Okay. So the example I gave you is a convergent boundary happens at the Eurasian plate and the Arabian plate. So you would need to give me 2 completely different boundaries. So that's a total of 4 different plates. So 1, 2, you would give 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, use the map. The map has a key in order to tell you which ones are which. You're going to take notes. You're going to do another activity. Then you are going to do a video discussion board. And in the video discussion board, you're going to click the link and it's going to take you there. I want you to actually make a video of yourself for this portion. And I want you to give hand motions for how you would describe the 3 different types of plate boundaries. So divergent, convergent, and transform. So you'll use your hands or maybe some other thing to demo what's actually happening. Okay. So maybe you have 2 different blocks that you can use, just something that is not a drawing to do that. Okay. You're going to watch a video. Once you get done watching the video, you're going to do the activity that's on page 90 and 91 from your textbook. And in here, what you're going to do is you see this map, and in order to get a bigger view, look at the online version. You are going to use these terms up here, and you are going to fill it out. Obviously, you can't write right on here. So down below, you're going to type in 1, or actually up here, if you go up here, you can just go 1 and then type your answer. 2, type your answer. So if you notice, there's certain spots like 1, 2, 3. So that means there's 2 answers for this one. There's 2 answers for this one. This one looks like there's 2 answers, but instead it's just 2 different words, 2 or 3 words. Okay, there might be a hyphen in there. Hint, 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 hint. Then you fill it out as you go. So there's 14 total words. You may use a word or 2 a couple of times, but every word here is used at least once. You will fill that out. You'll watch another video. Then you're going to get into lesson 4 or chapter 4, lesson 1. Again, this is going to move a little bit quicker, but now we're going to start talking about earthquakes. So you are going to answer the question. So activating pre-knowledge, you're going to watch the video. You are going to answer the question. You are going to read the pages 102 to 109. Okay. Again, no vocabulary, no key ideas, but you will take notes as needed. So anything important, please write it down. You're going to watch a video about faults, which is going to kind of recap everything you read, and then you're going to answer a couple of questions. That's it. Today should be a slightly shorter lesson, but make sure you're taking your time and completing it. All right, this is day 8. Good luck. Again, final, you'll exit ticket and submit it to Canvas. Have a good day. We will talk to you next time.